Welcome back to the channel. It's Louis Crypto here. We're covering Hbar and where it could possibly be going today. If we take a look around the crypto market, we are seeing some alts like XRP pumping out of nowhere. And in today's video, we're going to discuss whether Hbar still has the opportunity to pump, but understanding it does have targets to the downside. Can we today invalidate those targets to the downside and actually see a pump as we are with XRP? If you remember in the last video, we were talking about some bullish signals that were flashing. With these bullish signals, can we invalidate the further downside? The bullish signal we got was this divergence over here, where we see the price chart actually continuing, making lower lows, continuing a downtrend, but where we're seeing actual momentum waves coming back up, forming higher lows. So we're seeing disagreements, and these are called bullish divergences. We got that initial pump back into that 200 EMA and returned to the 0.5 golden pocket of the Fibonacci, which we're still maintaining over here. But as you can see, over the last week, we created this level of support over here that was lost, and using as resistance. We're yet to lose the 0.5. This is how we continue this dip down for Hbar. But as with XRP, it started to burst through moving averages. Could we be about to see that on Hbar, or is it all a scam pump on XRP? This is what we now need to see. I've just made a video on Quant talking about this, how it's pretty much in that location where if we do burst through, it's reclaiming key levels of previous support that are now currently resistance, reclaiming them, flipping them back into support to actually start heading to our range high. Now the question becomes, if we do manage to push through all of this and break out of this current range that we find ourselves in, what would be the targets to the upside? Now let's not get ahead of ourselves in thinking that these targets will be met, because we're yet to invalidate further downsides. Please do understand this. We are still below this resistance, which was previous support. So we're just preparing in case of a pump that pushes us through the resistances. So if we were to get above the highest point to the left of this range at 5271 on the Binance chart, the perpetual contract one, and then we can see it's talking about targets up as high as 5.5 cents for Hbar. We can see it's quite nicely using all three of these Fibonacci targets as this exact purple box that has been on this chart for many months on end. So we can see that that would be our next layer of resistance up ahead if we manage to do this, complete this wave up essentially. But this is not to be the case as of now, as we are currently still under that previous support as resistance, and the golden pocket being exactly on that 200 EMA. So even if we do get this push through, we need to hold support to have another go, because we could just be pushing through to get a bearish retest of a key level of resistance to then continue lower. This could be the case, in fact, guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. It's quite exciting times because we are seeing some random pumps across some altcoins. The question becomes, will Hbar randomly pump, or is it still looking to break past the 0.5 to head to this target over here? So that's pretty much it from me today. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Which way do you think this is going to go? Will it get a pump just as XRP did, or is it eventually just going to continue this rollover? I know your thoughts. If you want me to teach you how to trade, how to read the charts just as I do, with your exact entries, exits, risk to reward management strategies, as well as all of the above to get to my level pretty much, I have all the tools you need. You just need to go ahead and build a house. I've got 2 more slots now for the one-to-one mentorship plan. So if you do want to take action on that, I can still give you 25% discount for anyone that wants to just join the chat or do the course. Well, you still get 3 months free in the chat with the course. You can just take action through the links below. In fact, any people that want to join the course over the next week or so, I will give them the discount. So just message me with the links in the description down below, and head over to Twitter where you can private message me for more information on those offers. That's it. Cheers.